went to Michigan State University, and I enrolled in the school with the interest of being a veterinarian. During my freshman year, I decided business was a better route for me. I had an influence from my father because he was in the insurance business. The business world was exciting. I'd always paid attention to the business world. And during business school, I decided to go to law school. But yet, I had a hunger for entrepreneurship, of doing something else, and I saw the success stories of clients and wanted to be a success story myself. Being involved with my father still in the insurance business, I saw some opportunities, and as an entrepreneur, I decided to take the company, the Kaufman Group, that he started and took public with many shareholders, private, which was a pretty bold move, and the rest is history. I was on the board of the Kaufman Group, the public company, and on that board sat Jeff Berry. Jeff Berry was president of Walsh College at the time. He was a great mentor to me. He really was enthusiastic about learning. His inspiration throughout our company was felt. And so knowing Jeff, I got to know about Walsh and was very impressed with Walsh through the years. Because I've been so impressed with Walsh, I have personally been generous with the school and our company and giving back to the school, which I'm very happy to do. The Walsh students are driven. They're going to put the effort in, whatever it takes. They've come to Walsh because they don't want to be average, and our company is not average. Our company hired many Walsh graduates and found them to be very dedicated and excellent people to work for our company. So we've had great stories with people rising through the company, taking on greater responsibilities. And so very pleased with the Walsh graduates. This award is really the pinnacle of what we've been doing for many years. It's a nice point of recognition through the years of the tradition from our family of giving to Walsh and serving on the boards. It makes me feel great to see what the school has done and how important it is to provide students of all means a road to success. To sit back and watch that happen through the years, it's very exciting and gratifying. The accolade really is a call of action to establish scholarships, to support scholarships, to further the educational opportunities of many people out there who can really benefit from going to a great place like Walsh. For me to see that is the best award for me.